Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle HCM Cloud. Let's have a look at how to create a value set. Go to the username, setup and maintenance, task area, implementation projects, and search for your project. And search for the task value sets. Now it's the task. And create a new one. So let's create value set, and let's start with the value set code. So let's say MW model description. We need to select a module, so let's say, we'll search for personal. We'll say personal information, we'll stick it there for the time being. Right, validation type. Value sets, we can use it for two different purposes. One is for validation, and another one is for as LOV, for populating values. So the very first one, it's format only. If I stick format only, then we can use the value set for validation. So for instance, say I put format only, and I'm gonna stick it as character. So then it will ask me whether it's a text, translated text, or numeric digits only, or time. So let's say text. So we'll say the maximum length to say 8, and minimum value we will say at least 3, and maximum value we say 8. So if somebody wants to say their model is just 320, so they could say this will be enough. Again, you got option to opt it for uppercase only or no. Zero fill doesn't really make sense here because it usually comes for numbers. For instance, if the maximum length is 8, and or say the minimum value is 3, and somebody gonna put just 1 if it's instead of that, if it's a number, and if somebody gonna put 1 there, what we'll do is it will say 001, so it will prefix with 0. So that's the purpose of the zero fill. So it don't really make much sense when it's a character or text. Okay, so let's have a quick look at what's the other validation type. Independent and dependent. The best way to describe that is take the value set of a country and a county. So for instance, if it's an independent one, take country is independent, you can pick any country. And the dependent set will be a county. So for instance, if I take county or state, so if I take US, then the dependent set, which the states, it will be the dependent set. And so that's how it works. So it depends on what you choose, which country you choose, and depending on that, the value set will appear. So that's basically the independent and dependent one. Subset, again, it's a subset of one of the value sets. So if I choose that, you can choose the value set code and everything here. So these are the value sets. So it's a subset of one of the value set. And table, it's basically you can populate the details from a table. So it's very close. So you could use the SQL statement there. So that's basically it. So let's stick with the format and subtype text and save. So that's pretty much about a value set. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.